Hello everyone, we are otwwbinus team. This team consists of 3 people, me, Edo Prasetyo, and my 2 friends, Eka Adisaputra and Tiffany Anindita.
In this era, digitalization has occurred and developed in almost every lines of life. In terms of internet usage alone, in 2015, internet users increased 3 times to 3.2 billion users globally. Meanwhile, Indonesian internet users rose 7 times from 8.1 million to 56.6 million in just 10 years. This rapid growth affecting the job culture. Freelancing has become one of the most wanted jobs, especially in IT world. During the COVID-19 pandemic, in the BPS on the Central Statistic Agency recorded data that as of August 2020, the number of freelancers was 33.34 million, or up about 26% from 2019. This means that there is a pattern of behavior from people who are interested in working independently. To achieve the success of a project, the right freelancer is needed. Therefore, we offer a solution in the form of freelancing application that brings together clients or companies with suitable freelancers. With existing features such as profile menus, skills, portfolios, projects, or work experiences, makes clients more flexible in determining the right freelancer and the best skills to work on a project.